Hey guys! So today is At the Park, the Number Line Thursday. For our problem of the day, we will be using a number line to solve our word problem. Let's get started. There are 17 birds in the park. Remember that the U means you are understanding the information they are giving you. How can you show me that you're understanding? By underlining important information. When I say underline, that means you put a line under important information. So if there are 17 birds, that is important. It's giving me the number of birds that there are at the park. There are 8 fewer squirrels. It gave me another number of a different animal, squirrels. So there are 8 fewer squirrels than birds in the park. And what do they want to know? What do they want me to solve? They want to know how many squirrels are in the park. So let me use my number line to solve this word problem. If there are 17 birds at the park, I'm going to go ahead and write the word bird so I know that that's what this means, birds. 17 birds. And there are 8 fewer squirrels than birds, then that means that somewhere on this side of the number line, I'm going to find out how many squirrels there are, right? Because it's fewer, meaning less. So if I go ahead and use my number line, I know that I have to go back on the number line to find how many squirrels there are. That means that I am subtracting, right? I'm not adding to it. I'm not putting more on 17. I'm taking away to find my answer. So let me go ahead and go back. How many fewer were there? 8. 8 fewer than birds. So let me go back 8. It goes a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I found my answer. That's how many squirrels there's in the park, because I used a number line to find how many squirrels there in the park, and I know that there were 8 less than 17. So when I took 8 away, I found 9. And how can I show that using a number sentence? Well, because I was taken away from the number that they gave me, which was 17, that means I'm going to do a subtraction problem. So it's 17 minus 8. That's how many I went back, I took away, to find how many squirrels there were, which that was the question. And I found that there were 9 squirrels. In another way, I could also use what I've been learning about comparing numbers. If I know that there are, and I'll just write it somewhere down here. I want you to compare their numbers too. If I know that there are 17 birds in the park, let me move my screen, right? There are 17 squirrels in the park, and there are there are 17 birds in the park, and there are less squirrels. Well, that's going to look something like this. 17 is more, right? More than 9. Because there's more birds than there are squirrels. All right, now it is your turn to go and solve this problem. Remember to show me your work. How can you show me your work? Underline important information. Use a picture, some type of work, and give me the number sentence.